Welcome to step 8 of the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. This is going to be a very short video. This video is all about proof of fund. So what exactly is proof of fund? I will give you guys for an example. In 2013, when I came to Canada, I had to show proof of fund as a student. And what that meant was that I needed to prove to the Canadian government that my family, or my sponsor can, take care of my accommodation and every other thing in Canada once I arrive. And I had to show like a huge as an account, for them, because if you're coming to to Canada to study, and you're going to live in Canada and you go to school and buy books and live in a home and things like that, they expect you to have a huge amount. But one thing I love about this particular Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program with the proof of fund, this is going to blow you guys' mind away, because that's why I kind of try to encourage people, to try their possible best to start this process, because this is one of the easiest ways to me. If you ask me, like if there was an opportunity like this when I was making my move, I would have jumped on it, right? Because one of the struggles most people have right now is I don't have enough money. I can't pay my tuition fee. How am I going to pay all of this tuition fee? Because my family can afford it, or this or that. It's not that some people are better off than the other people, but it's just that at some point in life, things happen and you were just opportune. I think I was just opportune, to get the chance that I got, to calm down. So to me, this is an opportunity for whoever that is watching this video to jump on this opportunity. Let me go further and show you guys why I believe like this is like one of the best ways right now to come to Canada, because of the proof of fund is so low. So let's just jump in and just compare the proof of fund for Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program and the Express Entry. So for the Express Entry, if you're one person coming to Canada, you needed to show funds required in Canadian dollars. You needed to show at least 12,960 Canadian dollars. If you're coming with if let's say you have family and kids, the number keeps increasing. So you're coming, if it's a man with a wife, 16,000 plus. If you guys have a kid, 19,000 plus. If you guys have, just think about this, meaning the more, if it's a family of 5, that's 27,315, right? That's insane. But this is what I had to show when I came to Canada. So this is study permit proof of fund. Persons coming to Canada. So as a student, amount of funds required per year, not this is not tuition, this is just for me to show. I think I showed something within this region. And to study in Canada alone, to finish my nursing and my marketing program in Ontario before I moved down to Calgary, if I add everything, I swear to God, I spent close to 40 something to 50,000 Canadian dollars just to study in Canada alone. And this is amount of fund required per month, additional to tuition. It's just mind blowing. Sometimes I still I don't really know how it happened, but I just thank God that I was able to I don't know how it happened. That's all I can say. But, I was just lucky. But let me just show you guys something, why you need to jump on this opportunity. This is the proof of fund for Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. AIPP proof of funds, number of family members, including those you support but not relocating with you. For one person, 3,240 only. And do you know one thing more? With the settlement plan, this is like the settlement plan, the video I talked to you guys, that was in the step 6. They still assist you with money for accommodation and things like that. It's amazing. I never got any of this. I didn't get any of this. Instead, I had to prove to the Canadian government that I can be in Canada through and also based on the support I get from my family. But with this AIPP proof of fund, think about it. If you're coming by yourself, you just have to show 3,240. If you're coming with your wife, if you have a family, just the two of you, you show 4,034 the 4,034 Canadian dollars. If you guys have a kid, like this is incredible. Even if you guys are like a family of 7 or more, it's not even up to the amount for the express entry for one person. I think this is incredible. So I just wanted to show you guys this little PowerPoint, as in with a breakdown, for you to understand the opportunity that you get by applying through this immigration pilot program. I will see you guys in the next video, which is on how to apply for your permanent residency. Bye for now.